Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how generative AI tools can help you find background information on a topic and how to think critically about their summaries by checking and evaluating the sources they provide. As you begin a research project, generative AI tools can offer quick, accessible overviews that help you get oriented. Before diving into primary literature, these tools can give you a broad understanding of the topic and its general landscape. They're especially useful for synthesizing information and explaining complex concepts in plain language. AI tools can be particularly helpful for identifying key terminology, major concepts, and important debates in a field you're just starting to explore. They can translate academic jargon into more understandable language and help bridge the gap between your initial curiosity and the focused searches you'll later conduct in scholarly databases. Let's take a look at some specific tools you can use. General-purpose AI assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can generate helpful summaries using both their training data and, in some cases, current web sources. These tools are widely accessible and easy to use, but it's important to understand their limitations. Now let me show you how this works in practice. Some AI tools automatically search the web and display sources, while others require you to enable a search feature or ask explicitly for sources. A few tools only rely on their training data and won't search the web unless you activate specific modes. In ChatGPT, for example, you can enable web search by clicking the globe icon below the prompt bar. I'm going to ask the following question. Explain to a first-year medical student how GLP-1 weight loss drugs work in 3 paragraphs. Here we can read our AI-generated summary with citations showing both in the text and in the right-hand sidebar. It's essential to critically evaluate the accuracy and trustworthiness of AI-generated responses, rather than accepting them at face value. Go to the sources provided to verify that the information is being represented accurately. Also consider what type of source it is. Are you looking at a consumer health website, commercial content, or a peer-reviewed research article? Each is intended for different audiences and follows different standards of evidence. If you choose to use information found through an AI tool in your academic work, be sure to cite the original source, not the AI-generated summary, just as you would if you were consulting Wikipedia. Please reach out with any questions you may have, or to find out more about using AI responsibly as part of the research and writing process.